Great job today. You've done quite an improvement. I know that the L and the R's are still a work in progress, but you've improved as we're speaking. So great job on that, Magali. I just wanted to record these so you can get a better idea seeing my mouth and movement as you practice the initial and the medial sentences. So I'm sending the notes with it for you, but I just wanted to do this recording real quick so you can get my response, okay? So here, I just wanted to reiterate, the girls spend all of their time playing. The girls spend all of their time playing. These hamburgers are the best. These hamburgers are the best. They will help themselves to the salad bar. They will help themselves to the salad bar. These are the flowers that they ordered. These are the flowers that they ordered. She will help these kids with find their dog. She will help these kids find their dog. I often tell my clients to repeat the words this, that, and these in order to practice this sound. If they practice this sound, if they practice these three words over and over again, they will learn to say them correctly. If they forget to practice these words, then I can't promise them success in their English pronunciation. Those who follow the directions on their homework will find out for themselves how quickly they can change their speech habits. Here is just the words I wanted to focus on is tell, 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 words, 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 order, 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 learn, learn. And then you had themselves correct, but I just wanted to help that in case you needed me to repeat. And then on the medial portion that we worked on mostly today, my mother and father are still together. My mother and father are still together. I don't know whether I'd rather be thin and bald or fat and beautiful. I don't know whether I'd rather be thin and bald or fat and beautiful. The other night, I heard the rhythm of the new band down the street. The other night, I heard the rhythm of the new band down the street. His brother was gathering a crowd to listen to another song. His brother was gathering a crowd to listen to another song. He needs to either tell his father or stepmother the truth. He needs to either tell his father or stepmother the truth. Some of the words that I just wanted to pronounce again: still together, still together, ball, bald. So we've got the difference between the two. Ball, bald, ball, bald. Song, song. So how we were discussing long song, long song. Where's the ball? There's the ball. Where's the ball? There's the ball. And don't forget the intonations of words, verbs, nouns, adverbs, and adjectives. Those all have intonations for those words that go up in the sentence. Great job today, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.